Hey everyone, this is Kirk with An Easy Way to Trade. Before you watch this video, do me a favor, like and subscribe to our page to get more videos of our EA. Guys, we are crushing the market, so stay tuned. Okay everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually install the An Easy Way to Trade software. Going to come to our website, AnEasierWayToTrade.com. You want to read this information right here. Okay. Join for free from March 1st until March 8th, 2023 to get 30 days. Meaning you'll have until March 8th to register to get 30 days. After March 8th, you will not be able to get a 30-day free trial. So everybody needs to register between March 1st and March 8th. Come on and click join now. It's going to take you to the next page. Going to click checkout. This is what you get. Billed once per month until canceled after the 30-day free trial. Click checkout. All right, it's going to come over. You're going to come down here. It says total today 0. Going to come down here. You're going to put your information in, your personal information. I'm going to put in another email address that I haven't used. I'll use. Okay. Put your account, your MT4, MT5 account numbers in it. You get to have run this on 2 separate accounts. So you can put two MT4 account numbers or 2 MT5 account numbers, or you can split them up, MT4, MT5, live or demo. It does not matter. Any combination of 2 MT4, MT5 combinations, live or demo, does not matter. So I'm just going to put one here and one there. Oh, same thing. So if you don't have one, if you don't know yours offhand right now, don't worry about it. Once you join, you can come back to your profile and actually put it in. I'll show you how to do that. Create a username. I'm just going to call my username Administrator. Okay. I think that's too long. It can't be that long. So Administrator, and Easy Way to Trade. That's what I would do, like that. Make a password. From the password. I'm going to click the 2 boxes right here. You can actually see the terms. Click on show terms. It'll open up the terms that you're doing right here. All right, so once you go through that, you're going to click on the 2 boxes here. You must agree to the privacy policy and read the terms right here. Go to PayPal. Account will be automatically charged when the free trial is completed. Total due today 0. All right, going to go into PayPal. Now from here, from PayPal point right here, it's self-explanatory. So I'm not going to go over this because this is going to be, your PayPal stuff. All right. So we'll go back to the next step. Okay. Once you have paid, it's going to bring you to a page just like this, purchased items. Again, right here where it says my profile is where you can go to actually put your MP4, MP5 account numbers in there again, like I said. Okay. But it's going to take you to this page right here, purchased items right here. All right. First thing you want to do is click on view details and downloads. This is your information that you did. This is your license key right here. All right, this is your license key. You want to go ahead and first thing you do is go ahead and copy and paste that. Highlight and copy that license key. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to click on the setup right here. All right, click on the setup. And you want to download it to your computer. Now, it's downloaded to your computer. Now, once you've downloaded it to your computer, you want to remember where it's downloaded at. All right. So you want to open that folder up and it shows where it's downloaded. I'm going to put mine on my desktop because I like having it on my desktop. So I'm going to slide over to my desktop. Okay. Now, once you've done that, the first thing you want to do now is make sure your MT4, MT5s are closed out. So if you have an MT4, MT5 open, highlight it and close it out. MT5, this is my MT4, this is my MT5. Want to highlight them and just make sure they're both closed before you run the program. All right, now we're going to go ahead and run the program. So this is the program right here. This should show up on your desktop or in your downloads folder, wherever it was. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and run that program. Let me go back up here. I told you to highlight it. I didn't even highlight mine. Let me highlight it right quick. Copy. All right. Now you want to go ahead and run that program. It's going to come up Windows protected. Okay. Click on more info. Run anyway. All right, you're going to put your email address in. And that license key. Go ahead and paste the license key there. Okay, click next. It's going to install on your MT5 first. If you have only MT5 on your computer, that's all it's going to have. If you have multiple MT5s on your computer, it's going to highlight every MT5 that you have on your computer. I recommend just going ahead and leaving a check in every one of them that you may have on your computer. Click next. Same thing for MT4. If you have multiple MT4s on your computer, it's going to highlight all of them. Just leave them all checked. Reason being is because you never know which one you want to run this on. So you already have them preloaded. You don't have to worry about going back there and loading it. Click next. All right. Click install. Did you see it automatically puts a folder on my desktop right here? So it'll automatically put this folder on your desktop. This folder is simply things that you'll get in email. It is simply information. You know, in how you contact information and stuff. Okay. So that folder will be on your desktop. Then you're going to click next. Take a screenshot of this. You know, if you have a snipping tool on your computer, Windows 10 or above, you got snipping tool. And if you don't know if you have it, just come over to the search bar. Type snip, and it'll automatically highlight it. Click on snipping tool. And what that does is it opens up a dialog box like this. Click on new, and we're going to just copy this. Right? You're going to copy it and save it to your desktop because you're going to need this. You're going to need this. So just save it to your desktop. Or just take your cell phone out and take a picture of it. Either way, save it to your desktop or take a cell phone picture of it. Right? And go. All right. Once you've done that, because this is very important, you need this. Once you've done that, click next and then finish. All right. Now you want to open up your MT4, MT5, whichever one you want to do first. Open it up. Let me open mine up right quick. Okay. Get it to open. All right. Want to open it up, and you want to right click anywhere on any template, on any pair. It doesn't matter. Right click, template, and you'll see an easy way to trade FX. All right. Don't click. I just want to make sure it's there. If it's there, don't click it yet. If it's there, first thing you want to do is you want to go back and open up that picture I just showed you. Remember that picture? That picture will look like this. Come over to Expert Advisor. It's going to look like this. You want to click all the boxes that it showed you in that picture. So you want to click that, these boxes here, and where it says add new URL, you want to double click that where it's new and type in exactly what you see, HTTPS // AnEasierWayToTrade.com. All right, that's there. That's there. To make sure it's there. Okay, once that's there, go ahead and minimize that screen and bring back up your profile. Bring back up your profile, your purchase confirmation, where you got your information from. You want to click on my profile, and again, you want to make sure that your demo account or your account number is in there. Let me see what mine is. Mine is 215. Let me put that one in there. What is it? 2105 423 423 368. I'm having a hard time seeing it, guys. My vision is. Then once you put it there, go ahead and save changes. You can come back and do all this stuff later, put your information in here later. But as long that account number, the two account numbers that you're wanting to run this on must be in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and change this one right now to 188808 because I know that's my MT5 one that I want to run it on. So again, I'll click save changes. So now that I have my two account numbers in, right, I can open back up my MT4 right here with that account number right here. Right click on the template, click template, and then click An easier way to trade. Right? Now, if yours is already on, auto trade is already on, the button will come up and you'll see a smiley face. You'll see a smiley face. Then you can just turn it off. You'll see a frowning face. Right? But then to let you know that it's working, once you do that, this right here should show up on every pair. This should show up. It may take, you saw it may take 5 to 10, 20 seconds. So if I go to another pair, AUD CAD, and I click on this and click template, an easy way to trade FX, you'll see an easy way to trade EA comes up with frowning face right now because it's off. But give it a few seconds and you'll see it pop up. This lets you know that everything is running right. See your license status, okay, your account number, and when it expires, your email address, and your subscription status is active. You must do this on each pair that you're going to be running. Each pair that you're going to be running. Okay. If you double click on your icon right here, come over to common. Everything should be checked. Come to your inputs. These are your inputs right here. Have your email address, your license key, and these are the settings that you can change. Max current trades per single pair, which means I got it. It's preset at 1, and that means I only want 1 instance of AJ running. I don't want 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 running. I want 1. Max concurrent trades of all pairs 8. That means I only want 8 total trades max at any given time. You can change these numbers. However, we recommend leaving them like this. We recommend leaving them like this, at least until your account is built up. A couple of $1,000s. Then you can start changing things. But let's grow the account first. Fixed lot size. We have it at default right here. That's where we're going to start. Take profit 40 pips. Stop loss 30 pips. We're not using a trailer and we're not using a partial close at this time. Now, if you want to swing trade with the EA, meaning you want to stay in trades, hold them for, in a higher time frame, whatever, then you may want to use a trailer and a partial close. But right now, we want to get in and get out, right? We want to get in and get out, everyone. So I would recommend leaving everything just the same. We recommend 1 to 3% of your account balance. So if you have a $500 account, 1 to 3% should be your stop. Should be your fixed lot size, right? Understand? So that's how we do this, guys. We have to put this on every single pair. You'll see it change over and you'll see it pop up. We don't need anything on the template. We don't need anything on the template. Everything pops up. So once you went through all of your pairs, and we will give you a list of the pairs that we recommend, the pairs that we're running. You'll have a list of the pairs that we're running. We'll, you want to do that on there, and that's all you need. This is how you load an easier way to trade EA.